Europe used to be under the control of a dark shadow during the turbulent 20th century. During that period, nations and ideologies clashed, and humanity was on the verge of extinction. This is the tale of the ascent of the Nazi Party and the notorious Adolf Hitler. Europe was worn down and disfigured after World War I. Germany was subjected to harsh conditions under the Treaty of Versailles, which left it politically and economically unstable. In 1919, among all of this chaos, the German Workers' Party was born. It was first motivated by discontent with the Treaty of Versailles and advocated German patriotism and anti-Semitism. Anton Drexler founded it. And now for the man who would change history, Adolf Hitler. He became a member of the party in 1920 and later changed its name to the National Socialist German Workers' Party NSDAP, also referred to as the Nazi Party. Germans who had lost hope responded favorably to Hitler's magnetism and impassioned speeches. He rose to prominence as the party's head by 1921. Hitler outlined his goals in Mein Kampf, his memoir and propaganda pamphlet. He projected that the extermination of the Jewish race in Germany would result from a broad European conflict. Hitler quickly established himself as Germany's Chancellor in 1933 and dubbed himself for a supreme leader. His infatuation with the pure Aryan race led him to use military force to secure Lebensraum, living space for Germany. Hitler formed coalitions against the Soviet Union with Italy and Japan, while clandestinely rearmament Germany in defiance of the Versailles Treaty. France and Britain were reluctant to oppose him, and the Soviet Union and the United States were preoccupied with internal issues, so his aggressiveness continued unchecked. Hitler invaded Austria in 1938 and conquered Czechoslovakia the following year. As the Nazi war machine gathered steam, the entire world watched. The German-Soviet Non-Aggression Pact, which was signed by Hitler and Soviet leader Joseph Stalin in late August 1939, laid the groundwork for World War II. The struggle that would span the world began in 1939 with Nazi Germany's invasion of Poland. With more than 50 countries participating, World War II raged on land, sea, and in the air. An estimated 60 to 80 million people had died in the war by 1945. 6 million of them were Jews who had been killed in Nazi detention camps during the Holocaust. The United Nations and the Cold War were two of the effects of World War II. The growth of the Nazi Party and the evil influence of Adolf Hitler, therefore, have left a lasting impression on history, a somber chapter that stands as a sobering warning of the results of bigotry, intolerance, and unbridled power. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video and the other story.